Alright guys, welcome to 4.6 Savage. Now we're going to talk about the Camry. Since I haven't posted in a while, and I'm sorry about that, I've been, tired at work. It's basically what I'm going to leave it at. But, I've done some things to it, and I've also come up with a name. Now I decided, since I went from Mustang to Camry, I'm going to call it the Wannabe. Since basically that's what it is. So I finally decided to put some mods on this thing, and first thing that came off was the stock suspension. Now this has, they're eBay, yes, they're eBay, but they're fully adjustable height and stiffness with 26-way stiffness adjustable struts. Now these coilovers are probably the best thing I have done to this car. And yes, I also changed the paint job. But they handle so much better than the stock suspension. That thing sucked. I needed new struts. They wanted like $400 for a set of shocks and struts. The coilovers were like $260 something. I was saving myself money by going the coilovers. Plus I got a performance benefit. I mean, they're 500-pound spring. This car doesn't give. The only thing that gives is the tire. I mean, I'm extremely happy with it. It's stiffness-wise and everything. It's like driving roads. There is no real harshness to it. It's very comfortable. I mean, it's not as comfortable as it was before. It doesn't just glide over a bump. You feel it, but I don't know. I enjoyed it. Now, here, I have my Rust-Oleum paint job. The front and rear bumpers are painted, and the trunk and hood are painted. Now let's go for underneath the engine. Alright, here's my floor mats. I need to clean them. But, we'll pop the hood. I also got rid of the grill, because the grill stuck out like a sore thumb. Just because it was broke. Here you go. I don't have anything new here. But I'll show you the coilovers. The nut on here is used for adjusting stiffness. This way stiffens them up, this way loosens them. I have them set on the softest setting now on all four corners, and they work pretty well. Now it also comes with camber plates, and I'm very happy it came with camber plates. I mean, I would love all my vehicles to have camber plates. Now, I did buy a cold air intake for it. Now, as you can see, this is the current intake system. I'm sure some of you, maybe not all of you, but most of you will notice something's out of place here. And that would be the fact that my intake hose does not hook up to this. It tries, but it won't connect fully. I don't know why. I almost want to say that it's not the correct air intake hose for this. But I'm not going to take guesses. I bought the cold air intake kit. I'm going to do an install video on it. That should be here today. So I'll have that one out later tonight. Now, all in all, what's going to happen is I'm going to show you disassembly, do that, and then I'm going to install it for you and show you all the things that I found. And I'm going to try to speed run it. It's my first time really doing an install video that wasn't all there. Now, on these, I'm not sure about the six-cylinder models, but I do know on the four-cylinder models, you have your downshift cable. I made a mistake of not knowing this was a downshift cable and had it sitting off here because I had removed the intake. I didn't realize it was bolted. It was left and loose. Now, it was shifting like crap, and then I finally adjusted and shifted everything. Now, with all that, it runs pretty well. I'm not going to say that. But the next video will be an install vid. Remember guys, be savage.